In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online this year. I've tried all types of methods in the past, from dropshipping to affiliate marketing to running an agency. But out of everything that I've tried, this is hands down the most beginner-friendly way that exists right now. You can start with $0. You don't need prior experience. You don't need a following. If you have a phone or computer and an internet connection, then you qualify. There are people making 10, 20, 30,000 a month with this method that's called Whop Content Rewards. All you need to do is to repost and repurpose content that already exists on the internet. It sounds wild, but I'm going to break down step by step exactly how it works. Alright, so the first step is to go to whop.com, or you can just simply go to the link I listed below, and then it will take you to this page. Just enter your email, click on continue, verify your email, enter your name, pick a username. You can upload an image for your photo. I'll just go with this one, save. This doesn't matter, but we can just join one for now, the Whop clips, and click on next. All right, so once you're logged in, you can come to the Discover page, click on Discover, and then where it says Content Rewards, this is where you can get paid for creating content. So we can just click on Show All. So here you see all the different Whop groups that you can join and get paid for publishing content on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, or even on Twitter or X. Basically, you can get paid a certain amount per 1,000 views on your videos. So your next question might be, what content do you need to make? So let's come to leaderboards on the top, and then you'll see the different categories that you can narrow down your search. For example, if you are interested in e-commerce content, that's what you could choose. Social media content, personal finance, AI, reselling, sports betting, trading, business content, dating content. So there are all types of different categories that you could choose from. So let's sort by most reviews. So let's just find one as an example. So let's say we select this ZenDrop Creative Fund. Inside this program, you'll get paid to create, repurpose, and share content that showcases ZenDrop. So we can just click on join. And this is absolutely free to join, so we can just fill out our name, click on continue. All right, once you are in the Whop group, this is what you'll see. You'll see the different tabs here. We can click on earn, and this is one of the campaigns, so we can click on it. So let's click on this. So first of all, we need to look at the requirements of the campaign, because if you miss any one of the requirements, then you won't get paid. So for example, for this one, we're looking at must be in English, must be minimum 30 seconds, video must stay up for 90 days or you'll be removed from the creative fund. So those are really easy. To be eligible, sign up for ZenDrop with the same email as your Whop account, and no AI videos. So these are really easy requirements to meet. And as you can see on the reward, you'll get $10 per 1,000 views. So in terms of exactly what video that you need to create, what you can do is just come here, look at the other creators. So for example, this creator earned $100 from this video. And let's take a look.
Shipping can be overwhelming, but ZenDrop.com makes it simple. With just a few clicks, you can import products, fulfill orders, and ship globally, all from one dashboard. No dealing with unreliable suppliers or confusing logistics. ZenDrop connects you directly with vetted suppliers, fast shipping, and even custom branding options. If you're just starting out, this platform is built for beginners, just like I was. Thanks to ZenDrop, I finally launched my first successful store. Try it out at ZenDrop.com and start dropshipping the easy way.
So that was the exact video that earned $100 from this campaign. And this one was a really easy, simple video that was only 27 seconds long, and it's even faceless. So if you want, you don't even need to show your face. It was pretty much just a voiceover, the captions, and the graphics that makes up the video. So that's a really simple video. So that's why this is such a great opportunity. And when you scroll down, you can see the other different videos that are earning from this campaign. So this is where you can get the other content ideas. All right, so let's go back to take a look at another Whop group, because some campaigns, they actually provide the content for you, so you don't even need to make original content yourself. So let's click on Show All, and let's click on AC Hampton Clips. Let's check this one out. Click on Join, and let's click on Earn. Click on this campaign. Click on this one. So you see all the different requirements here, so make sure that you meet them. So for this campaign, for every 1,000 views, you get paid $2. So for this one, under assets, they actually provide you with the content. So we can click on this Google Drive. So this makes posting super easy. So let's click on meeting with clients. So this would be all the different content that you could use. So they actually provide you with the content. So you don't even need to create your own. All you're doing is take this content they provide to you, make some edit to it, repurpose it, and then you can post. And if you get views, you get paid. So this is a really easy, straightforward business model where you can just repurpose content and get paid. So let's come back out to the content reward page, show all. So what you can also do is sort by, let's say, highest CPM. So CPM basically just refers to how much money you get paid per 1,000 views. So as you can see here, per 1,000 views, you get paid $20, $50, $10. So these are really high CPMs, considering that you can post on short form content platform like Instagram or TikTok, where it's not that difficult to get thousands of views per video. And it also doesn't take that much effort to edit a short form video. So those are all great things about this method. So this is definitely a great opportunity if you're someone who is looking to make money online as a beginner by just repurposing and posting content.